Hi, my name is Sean, coming to you from the LG Road Show in New York. What we have here is the Styler, which is a portable dry cleaning system. With the Styler, you have the capacity to hang 5 shirts or blazers, 2 pair of shoes, and on the side, 3 notches to hang 2 pair of pants. What this system does is as it's running, it shakes, continuously shakes and steam your clothes. It gets out wrinkles and odors. This water tank is where it draws to create the steam. And this is the drain tank that catches the excess water. When powered, this is fully touched and illuminated in blue. It has 3 main levels. There's low, there's medium, and there's high. Low, which would be around here, would run for 20 minutes, medium 48 minutes, high an hour and 2 minutes. You can adjust the level of steam, the level of humidity to the fabric type of your choice. Once all that is selected, you would hit the play, and it would continuously shake your clothes and process them for the amount of time that you specified. For more information on this project, please log on to lg.com. Thank you.